What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel, and what we came to discuss here in today's video is no other than KULR. As you all know, today's breakout changes the outlook for next week. Stick around, I'm going to be giving you my end of the week price prediction for KULR for next week. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out SOUN. As you all know, I do have a $24 price target for SOUN, which I do believe will be reached here next week. But in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a specific date on when I believe that $24 price target will be reached and breached. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. But before we do so, can we please take the time out now to smash that like button? Thanks to the huge engagement, comments, and you guys sharing the video over on Reddit and StockTwits has really helped this channel grow. So with that being said, I would love for you guys to keep that up. And SOUN, on the other hand, is looking like a golden ticket here for next week. As you all know, today's jump in price is a result of a short cover. These last 4 days of trading, we have set consecutive lower lows, but with today's price action, we have broken out of that, ladies and gentlemen, with today's low coming in at 1943. What we do want to actually see take place here on Monday, we want to see this thing actually open above that $22.68 levels, which would put major pressure on short positions taken here throughout the trading day. And I believe it's going to be a lot due to that strong volume, 50.12 million here so far, coming off of yesterday's trading volume of only 62 million. This is a huge turnaround in volume, and seeing as though that we have set a higher low, we have broken out of that falling wedge. Now back to KULR, the exact same thing, ladies and gentlemen, coming off of its 4 consecutive trading days of setting a lower low and a lower high. We have broken out of that lower low trend. We have yet broken yesterday's high just yet, but I do feel as though that KULR is going to see a aftermarket rally as well. If we take a brief look and just check out the 15-minute chart here really quickly, as you guys can see here, this thing has been trading alongside that upper, but we are currently in the middle of this upper canal here on the Bollinger. As you guys can see here, the upward trajectory that this mid is pointing to. Not only that, if we go to our interpretations of indicators, which is a great cheat sheet for all you novice and new traders out there that do not understand how to read indicators really well or charts, well, Mumu has you covered with this technical sentiment. Now, as you guys can see here, currently we do see a negative sentiment overall, but we're making a recovery from that and starting to lean towards the no obvious signal, and we have a neutral sentiment here in the 60-minute, and far as the 1 minute, we're making a recovery from that as well. If we go back to the day chart, as you guys can see here, we did bounce pretty close on that SAR, and like I told you guys before, a SAR bounce is much more bullish than that mid Bollinger Band bounce. So that is why I am very confident that we are going to be headed towards this upper here early next week, as late as Wednesday. I do feel as though that KULR actually stands a very great chance to cross those $4.90 levels, ladies and gentlemen. And far as SOUN, if you have been keeping the channel, with that $24 price target that I expect for the stock to hit as early as Wednesday next week. I do feel as though that today's turnaround is basically a result of the end of the year sell-off. Okay, we got that out the way, and now January is expected to see one of the best months of the year 2025 for the AI, semiconductor, as well as the quantum computing stocks. With that being said, SOUN is going to fit well in that rally. And if we take a brief look and just check out the related stocks over in the NVIDIA's portfolio, SOUN and SERV are my favorites, okay? These two stocks are currently my favorite in the NVIDIA's holding category. And I will be updating you guys on SERV over on the main YouTube channel, which is called Making Easy Money, okay? I will have the link to my main YouTube channel posted at the end of this one, so you guys can get over there. And don't forget to consider joining the Discord while we're currently having those free trials. But SOUN, $24 price target by the end of the day, Wednesday. And far as our KULR, I do feel as though that this stock is headed towards those $4.90 levels by the end of the day, Wednesday as well. So with that being said, guys, if you do agree with anything I said in this video, can you please leave a thumbs up on it? Also, if you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button and make sure all post notifications is set to all so you will be alerted each and every time I create one of these videos. And may the gains be with you. Don't forget to consider joining our Discord. The sign up link is in the description below.